Good afternoon. It's a little brighter out there. We still have some cloud cover overhead, and from time to time you see a snowflake pass by our Storm Team Sky Camera here in Fargo. So we do have still some wintry weather impacting us right here in the metro and beyond. Let's check out our radar. We are looking at some snow showers falling here in the valley this afternoon in between Grand Forks and Fargo and a little off to the east into Minnesota. You can see that snow approaching Crookston again. That's an area that's seen a decent amount of snow already, about 1 to 2 inches of snow reported up around the Grand Forks and Crookston areas, and we're seeing still a little pocket here. Northern Clay County, just outside of Fargo now, and over toward Mahnomen, between Mahnomen and the Detroit Lakes area, seeing a little pocket of snow too. That's part of a larger area of cloud cover that's here in the valley, and this is just kind of slowly working eastward and gradually will move on. But if you live in our eastern viewing area and haven't seen much of anything yet today, just be aware you might be getting your chances for snow increasing. You can see on our visible satellite here that there's lots of cloud cover still over the valley. You have to head all the way over to Bismarck before you get to see some sunshine, and that's just going to hang on into the region here for today. Let's check out your visibility. We're at 5 miles in Fargo. We're looking at 7 in Grand Forks. Worse off up in Langdon at only 1/4 mile there, and it's down to 1.5 miles in Park Rapids. Our temperatures are in the 30s. We're now up to 33 in Fargo and Grand Forks, so above freezing now. That's good, and we'll continue that climb, and we'll continue to see some of that snow hanging around. Again, this morning it was really moving through the valley around that 9 o'clock hour, but as we get into the 4 o'clock hour this afternoon, we're just seeing some spotty areas of snow affecting us here today, and perhaps even a little bit of rain as those temperatures rise. We're going to be into the upper 30s in the south to near 40 and some 30s up north, and some clearing happening tonight. So places like Jamestown, James River Valley may get some sun before it sets here today, may already starting to be seeing that sunshine too. And ahead for the late night hours tonight, again, a few areas of sprinkles, a few flurries. Now starting off tomorrow morning, more clouds, of course, to start the day. We're looking at some 20s to around 30 degrees, and getting into the later morning, moving into the afternoon, the clouds are going to be kind of stubborn for the first half of the day. So warm temperatures though, with that wind out of the south. We'll see temperatures in the 30s to some low 40s for your highs, and I'm hopeful that we'll see a little sunshine by the afternoon, but it's not looking great. It is a quieter day though, and before the next round rolls in, and Friday we have a chance for some rain and snow, and depending on where that rain-snow line sets up on Friday could mean the big difference between just how much snow we see. Some of us could get a decent amount, something to keep an eye on, but it will get very slushy. Checking out your temperatures, 30s, but upper 30s. So once this starts, right now it looks like in the afternoon, it might melt initially, and then once we start to dip into the later night hours, that might start to accumulate at that point. So just kind of a messy situation, and that continues this weekend. Saturday we may get a little break first half of the day, but then another little round of snow and rain moves in for Sunday, continuing into Monday. And if we're cold enough, that might add up, but as you can see, we've got some mild days and some sub-freezing nights, so it's going to be a little bit of both happening here.
It's going to be an interesting start to the spring.
Yeah, already is.
Yes, thank you, Lisa.